Hey, Brennan here, BrennanValesky.com, and in this video, you're going to learn everything about the free plus shipping business model or the free plus shipping funnel. So what is the free plus shipping business model? Effectively, it is where you offer your customer a free item. So it could be anything such as this bracelet or such as potentially a book of some sort as well. You offer that item for free so that effectively your customer is able to taste what you can offer them. I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been inside an ice cream parlor, right? You've been, hey, try this free sample, or you're at the mall maybe, if malls are still around, and you're maybe in front of one of the Chinese restaurants and they're like, hey, free sample of this piece of chicken here, or with a little toothpick stabbed in it. Effectively, they're allowing you to taste what they can offer. It's the same thing with a free plus shipping offer. It is something that is basically very low cost with free plus shipping. Effectively, free is what the offer is said as, which is really, really enticing in the whole internet marketing world, of course. Anything that's free is like, oh my God, it's free. Let me grab that, okay? And so the shipping is just really, really cheap to the point where you as a business owner or the person running the model effectively is able to basically just break even with the shipping costs. So say I put this bracelet here offered as a free plus shipping offer. Effectively, this bracelet wouldn't cost me that much to get in bulk or something like that. I get that bracelet maybe for like 10 cents a piece, okay? And this is a completely hypothetical example. So say, for example, I'm offering this as a free plus shipping offer to someone as I'm like, hey, free item, just cover the shipping. So basically, how you would do it is you offer that item as a free item, and then the shipping is then labeled as either $4.95 or $5.95 or $7.95, all the way up to around that range. Like, it needs to be relatively cheap, and you're basically offering person the item for free, and they just are covering the shipping, but technically the shipping cost is what covers the price of the item. So you're basically just breaking even to the point where you're getting people to taste your business. That is the whole purpose of this funnel and this entire system of the free plus shipping business model. Whether you're doing that for e-commerce or any type of physical type information business. Maybe it's with a book, for example. This book here is .com Secrets from Russell Brunson. If you're familiar with him, then this is actually a free plus shipping model that this book is ran through. So basically, he offers this book like, hey, get my book for free, and all you have to do is just cover the shipping or just pay the shipping, which is $7.95. So it basically covers the cost of the book, and he ships it to you for free. I think it takes you like 2 weeks to get there. It's the same type of thing you can do with any type of product that you're shipping to someone. So this works best in e-commerce or, like I said, any kind of information type thing with a book, of course, because it's a physical type product. Any kind of physical based product, this is what this model is used for. So basically, you're getting your customers in order to taste what you can offer. And the next thing as well, the way that you actually maximize your profits through this entire free plus shipping business model is to actually offer an upsell. Because if you are just offering the free plus shipping, such as this bracelet here, as the example, or just the book, you're never going to make any money because you're really just breaking even. You're getting people to spend money with you. You're showing them what you can offer. It's the same thing with the ice cream parlor, right? You go into an ice cream store or whatever, and they're like, here, have this free sample to taste this flavor. You're allowing people to taste the flavor of your business, allowing them to taste the flavor before they go and purchase anything more expensive from you, which is ultimately what you want to lead people through, which is, quote unquote, as Russell Brunson puts it, as the value ladder, of course, in that book, which I do actually recommend that book. I wouldn't necessarily recommend ClickFunnels for everybody. It just depends on how you're doing your business. But .com Secrets is actually a pretty good book. So basically, that's the model there, is you want to get people up your value ladder. So what is the value ladder, right? Obviously, you have this bracelet, okay, or what is an upsell, right? How do you actually make money with this free plus shipping model? That is really what we're coming down to here, is you want to offer an upsell. So think about if someone is at the ice cream parlor. Let's just keep using that example. So the first bit of the ice cream parlor funnel, if we put it that way, I'm just completely making this up as we go along, but it works. So you're tasting this little ice cream sample of the flavor, right? You're getting a taste for, wow, this ice cream is actually really good. I'm actually going to stay in this store and actually buy an ice cream cone. So maybe you were thinking, oh, maybe I'll just get a regular like small cup. and they're like, yo, we just cooked some fresh waffle cones. If you want to add a waffle cone for that, it's only like $2 more. You know you want that large waffle cone, and boom, you purchase it, and right then and there, they just made some extra money, and it was a logical upsell. So typically you want to offer, that's kind of like a cross-sell in a way, but to explain that in a little bit better there is, you basically just want to offer people more, right? You want to offer people more beyond just the free plus shipping system, because you're not really ever going to make a ton of money if you're just breaking even. Of course, you're getting customers on your customer list and your email list, which is great. It's a great way to build that out. But of course, you obviously want to maximize your profits that you can make when you're offering that to people. So another thing you could do is just offer maybe a couple of these. So instead of just offering one, it's like, hey, yo, get another one for just $1 more or something like that. Or offer the quantity selector in the checkout system in the shipping selector, or you could offer them get 1 or get 2 or get 3 or get 4 or get 5, or however you want to do it. It just depends on obviously what you want to do. For a book, of course, that's not really going to work really for a book type of funnel. You're not really going to offer someone like 2 of the same book because it's not really that valuable. But if you're selling ice cream or in this example with the bracelet, obviously someone could benefit from having 2 of these, or maybe flashlights, right? Or gun cleaning oil. Any of these type of classic examples, someone could benefit from actually having multiple of these, and maybe give one to a friend or whatever. Maybe they just want multiple. Maybe people want to ball out with like a bunch of these on their wrist. Okay, it just depends on your customers there. So you could offer them multiple of these, and then increase your average order value there, instead of just offering the one. So there you are adding more value because you're able to sell more to people, and all you have to do is offer that in the checkout system, which could be done. That's just what you want to do. So that is one way. Another way, like I was saying before with the upsell, kind of like with that selling the extra ice cream cone, you could also do some sort of upsell item. So with Russell Brunson, at least with .com Secrets, he adds on like an extra funnel course or something like that you could also purchase on that funnel. There's also like a take-home backpack, or there's a bunch of different stuff that like pops up, and he has his upsells. And those are other things that you can add into this kind of funnel. And it's really great because you're able to offer something for free from the front end, right? And then you're able to maximize your profits on the back end with the upsells and with the cross sells and the other email list. Obviously, you're going to be able to remarket to them, and you're basically just giving people a taste of your business. So think about it like that when you're setting up your free plus shipping model, and you should be able to have some success. That is what it is basically just offering some free items and then having a bunch of upsells and cross sells, all the kind of stuff we just mentioned on the back end, and to get people to taste your business. That's basically what the free plus shipping model is for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave that down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. But anyway, guys, Brendan here, BrandonValesky.com, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.